Exclusivity always comes at a price, but it's almost a pleasure to part with the money if it can get you bikes as beautiful as the ones that we're about to present to you. Let's explore the most exclusive, the most extraordinary, and the most recent handcrafted two-wheelers that come as Restomods of the undying classics or custom projects of the modern bestsellers. Subscribe to Automotive territory and turn on all the notifications to get alerts about the most informative motorbike top 10s on YouTube. Enjoy the ride! BMW R18 Spirit of Passion. According to BMW, the R18 Cruiser is the perfect model for aftermarket conversions thanks to its simple, easy-to-modify design. To prove the latter point, the company asked Dirk Oehlerking from Kingston Custom to give the R18 some art-deco flair. Properly called the Spirit of Passion, this custom R18 obtains a full front fairing with a huge kidney grille popular in the mid-1930s, while a round hole in the middle of the bodywork hides an integrated LED headlight. Other notable visual updates include reworked handlebars, custom mudguards, and a completely retuned exhaust that mimics classic roadsters. Completing the vintage look is a tiny windshield, an aftermarket saddle, and a classic black paint with white pinstriping. As usual, the eye-catching custom is powered by the stock 1802cc two-cylinder, which is the largest that BMW has ever built. Thunderbike GPS Le Mans. One would assume that the coolest custom Harley-Davidson are commissioned on the native US shores. But instead, we invite you to evaluate the German tuner with 30 years of experience. The new Thunderbike mega flagship is based on the Softail Breakout and named after the legendary Grand Prix racetrack in France, GPS Le Mans. The original frame was treated to an in-house developed shock absorber in the form of the slam tail, which can be adjusted hydraulically in height. This muscle cruiser is powered by the fattest performance-grade engine by Harley, the Stage 4 twin-cooled Screaming Eagle Milwaukee 8 with 131 inches, 2,147cc displacement, 123 horsepower, and 131 pound-feet of torque. Besides the mighty engine, the major highlights of the Thunderbike GPS Le Mans are surely powder-coated monoblock wheels made of CNC-milled aluminum in 21 and 23 inches, and huge brake discs with radial calipers. '65 Gullwing X. Mercedes-Benz 300 SL has been recognized as the most beautiful car of the 20th century, and even 70 years after its release, it continues to inspire automotive specialists. Among the latest tributes to the icon is the limited edition Gullwing X within the Tamarit series. The Spanish tuner, established in 2015, took a Triumph Thruxton 900 carburetor as the base model for the build. It is powered by a 98 horsepower engine that has been fully dismantled and assembled back. The Tamarit Gullwing X features a one-piece hydraulic bodywork with a part that can be raised as a homage to the Gullwing doors. The styling is also accompanied by the classic canal radio rims, a single round headlight with cafe racer cowling, and motor gadget instruments. The limited edition was created in 9 different versions that correspond to the colors used by the German brand back in 1950s. Yamaha TW200 Tracker. Once already modified by Deus Customs, this TW200 was a beach runner-style bike when it got to the workshop of the purpose-built motor. To turn it into a street tracker, the company had to strip it down to bare bones and rebuild it from the ground up. The rear frame was modified to fit a larger fuel tank and a new handmade cafe racer seat. The original asymmetrical wheels were replaced in favor of 17-inch black motard trims. With the extended swing arm, there was plenty of free space under the seat, and Purpose-Built decided to fill it with a torpedo reverse cone muffler. Rounding the exterior work is the 7-inch LED headlight, a duo of black dome LED indicators, and anodized blue handlebars. Finally, to juice more response from the 196cc single cylinder, it was treated by dynamite motor. Ural Limited Editions. For 80 years, the Ural motorbike has been manufactured without major modifications, but its simplicity and toughness have allowed the model to amass a zealous following around the globe. Due to the high price of the model, only 3% of all units are actually sold on the home market in Russia. The rest are exported to North America, Europe, and Australia. If you didn't know, this is the only two-wheel drive sidecar motorcycle in the world, which opens up some crazy tandem adventures. Among the latest modifications of the Ural are the Red Sparrow and the Gear Up Geo Limited editions. Besides unique paint schemes, these feature an old-school 41 horsepower strong 749cc two-cylinder 4-stroke boxer assisted with worthy off-roading components. The selection includes adjustable IMC leading link fork, Nitron or Zax shocks, optional high-pipe GPR exhaust system, Brembo disc brakes, and a USB-powered navigation. Your support is not taken for granted. We're inspired to do more with each extra like. So give the thumbs up button a proper smash and let's keep going. Myth 001. Born in Brooklyn, New York, the Myth Motor unites a group of BMW airhead motorcycle enthusiasts who like to tour the untraveled roads, reaching the furthest and the most impenetrable corners of the world. Based on the twin-cylinder BMW GS from the 1980s, the brand's first build is designed just for this purpose. The bike gets some new fenders, a rear rack with Case Explorer luggage, a larger 11.3-gallon fuel tank, and a completely reworked suspension setup. Up front are added new WP open-chamber forks with up to 11.8 inches of travel, while the rear shock is replaced by a custom wheel burst unit. The new rims feature modern Brembo brakes and measure 21 and 18 inches respectively. Finally, the stock engine was reworked extensively as well. It gets new high-compression pistons, upgraded camshaft, and additional oil cooling, while the displacement is increased to 1001 cc, leading to a power bump to 72 horses. Blackman R18. Among the tuning specialists who have already had a chance to get their hands on the R18 bike is the Austrian customizer Bernhard Naumann, also known as Blackman, which loosely translates as Iron Man. His R18 interpretation looks very different from a regular model. The fuel tank is reshaped, there is a new front fairing, plus the headlight frame is modified to mimic the kidney grille design from the BMW cars. Finally, the custom bike gets unique black paint and classic white pinstripes, while its 1.8-liter boxer engine remains untouched, producing 90 horsepower and 117 pound-feet of torque. Honda CB400F by Purpose Built Motor. A few years ago, Purpose Built Motor rebuilt a Brad-style Honda CB350 for one of their clients. So when its larger sibling arrived to the company's shop, they already had a lot of ideas in store. Since the bike had been in a crash before, Purpose Built focused on repairing and replacing some of the injured parts. First to go was the triple clamp and the standard bar clamps, plus the forks needed mending. Next, the mechanics decided to rework the engine's top end and carburetors and add a new clutch with heavier springs. The old and tired wheels got swapped for the XL rims with hefty 18-inch tires, while the stock seat was forgotten in favor of a custom walnut leather unit. The company also ordered a prefabricated tail for the bike, added LED elements to the headlight and indicators, and painted the CB400F in a striking combo of chrome, silver, and green. Triumph T100 twin-thing custom motorcycles. A standard T100 is already a classic machine on its own that is still in production. But the custom modification commissioned by the Hampshire UK-based twin-thing custom for their loyal customer Chad is on a whole new level. The tubular steel twin cradle frame and handlebars were reshaped to achieve a cafe race riding position, plus the headlight was given some distinctive cosmetic adjustments. In turn, the liquid-cooled parallel twin that makes 55 horsepower was left untouched. We would also like to mention that this build was commissioned with assistance from Motone Customs and biker heads at Transam Group. Honda CBX Resto Mod. Still in possession of its original owner, this 1979 CBX unit arrived to DB Customs in perfect condition. Paint intact, every part functional, and even some replaced by the authentic 1980s items. For this reason, when working on the bike, the company decided to stick to the retro looks and feel, while enhancing with modern tech only the riding performance. The changes start with the installation of an aftermarket over-racing swing arm, new fork and shocks from Öhlins, and lighter carbon fiber wheels from Dynamag. The stopping power is provided by Brembo brakes. The 1147cc inline 6-cylinder is reworked, and there is a new handband titanium exhaust. All in all, these updates allow to decrease the CBX's weight by 135 pounds to 465. Honda CB650R by Kingston Custom. Despite the fact that the latest projects that came out of the Kingston Custom workshop were produced in collaboration with BMW, one of the most experienced custom bike builders in Europe can easily manage any two-wheeler, regardless of the nameplate. In 2020, Honda Germany tapped Dirk Oehlerking to tweak the CB650R, and true to his nature, the Kingston Custom's owner decided to turn the middleweight 4-cylinder roadster into a street tracker. He ditched the stock plastic, replacing it with a new single-piece monocoque that attaches to the original mounting points. Another notable exterior alteration is the revised front fascia with a square mask, 2 off-center lights, and a trimmed stock fender. For the finishing touch, the custom CB650R gets a classic motorsport livery of red, blue, and white. I hope we managed to impress the motorcycle connoisseur that lives within you. Which is your favorite bike from this lineup? Share your thoughts in the comment section and mention those impressive custom projects that were missed. Subscribe to Automotive Territory, ring the bell, and smash the like button if you haven't already. Just click the icons on the screen to get access to more informative content, and as always, may the torque be with you!